Welcome children. Let's continue our today's topic. Lesson 1. Today I will teach you about the seed dispersal. Seed dispersal. What is meant by dispersal? Dispersal means scattering. Scattering or spreading of the seeds from the parent plant to different places. Okay. Now, why dispersal is important? Why it is important? Because there will be struggling, or that means fighting for food, space, air, water and sunlight to grow. For example, if there is a mango tree, it bears many mango fruits. When it ripened, it started to fall down, right? All the fruits fall down one by one and nobody took it away. Then what happens? Just imagine all the fruits will be there. Then the seeds in it started to grow. That time so many mango tree plants germinate. They will be either very close to each other or one above the other. Then they won't get enough food or sunlight. One who get proper food, it to grow. Another one will be weak or die very soon. So scattering is very important. If they are separated, they grow healthy. Another example I will tell you. Just imagine in a classroom there are 50 students like you and only 5 benches are there. How you will sit? It means in one bench 10 students will be sitting, right? And what will be the condition? Everybody will fight for the space and you can't shift, you can't move, you can't write. Then there will be fighting with each other. Understood? And if there are 10 benches instead of 5 benches, you can sit properly, right? Properly you can sit and then means you will get enough space and the class will run smoothly. Now I hope you understood why this dispersal is important. Now I will explain you how it is dispersed. It may be spread by some agents, okay? Some agents like wind, water, animals, and even by explosion. These are the agents of dispersal. Now I will explain you one by one how it helps for the dispersal. Now first, wind. Now by wind, that means some seeds have wings, or they have hairs, or they may be light in weight. When they fall down, it will be carried away by the wind and it drop somewhere else, and on which place it fall down, from there it will be grown. Now water, how it is? The plants which grow near the water bodies, for example near the river bank, and those fruits fall down into the water. And this river water, it is a running water. Running water means it is not stagnant, right? It will not be at a place. It will move from one place to another place. It carries. So that these fruits, when it fall into the water bodies, it carries and it drop somewhere else. And from where it reaches, on that place it grows. Now by animals. Animals like we human beings, squirrels, monkeys, what they do, after eating the fruit, they will throw the seeds some places, right? And where it falls down, from there it will grows. And even birds also carry the fruits, right? And when they fly, sometimes it fall on other places, and sometimes what it happens, it carries some other places and sit on the branches of the trees, and where they will eat. And while eating itself, sometimes it will fall down on the ground, then from there it will grow. And even animals, how that means some if we are also walking on the park or moving on the ground, that time some of the seeds stick on our clothes. And some animals, when they are moving and street dogs, that time what happens, these some seeds stick on their bodies, and when they move, these seeds also carried away with them. And then when where they drop these things, then there it fall down and it grows and become the healthy plant. Now by explosion. Explosion means some seeds that means they will with the pressure, when they dry, with the pressure itself, it burst, it explode, that means explode, clear? It breaks and the seeds will be move up and fall on different places. That is known as explosion, clear? For example, in bees, then pea, that mutton, peas, that these seeds will be dispersed, spread by the process of explosion. Now I hope you all understood why dispersal is important. Clear? And now what are the agents of dispersal of seeds? Wind, water, animals and explosion. Clear everybody? And tomorrow I will teach you the different parts of the plants, how they